Hello friends, welcome to It's Ram K. Today we have my mother-in-law who's going to prepare a very special Ivy God masala curry. All that you need 2 tablespoons of peanuts, 1 full tablespoon of chili powder and few sesame seeds, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, curry leaves. You need cloves, cardamom, cashews, tomatoes, coriander leaves and coconut. Okay, while doing it, I will explain you the ingredients once again as she's going a bit fast. You need to slit the ivy gourd into 4 pieces. You are not supposed to chop it or cut it, just a 4 slits, like how we do for masala brinjal or masala bangan curry, just like this. Now heat a pan, dry roast these ingredients. 2 tablespoons of peanuts. First you need to dry roast them because it takes time to roast peanuts than sesame seeds. Now 1 teaspoon of chana dal. Okay, even this takes times to get roasted. So you have to roast it based on the size of the ingredients that we are adding. So dry roast it, do not add oil. It can be a non-stick pan or you can use a cast iron also, but dry roast it. Finally, when the color is changed, add 1 full tablespoon of sesame seeds. When you add the sesame seeds in hot pan, you can see that splattering. Okay, that's when you will come to know that it is finely roasted. So you need to properly roast them. The color has to slightly change. It has to leave the raw smell. Finally, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. You need to add it at last because it adds a little bitterness to the curry. At the same time, it also has a very good flavor. And now she has taken a very small piece of dry coconut. You can hardly see there are 3-4 pieces. Okay, just make a fine slice of the dry coconut. If you have fresh coconut, yes, please go ahead and use it. But as we don't have that, we've used dry coconut. Add it in the same ingredient. Then give a quick mix in the pan that you're using. Okay, the heat is properly spread. Now she has added it in plate or whatever you call it as. She's just removing the husk of the peanuts. You can paste it with that also, but she prefers it this way. Just remove the outer skin of the peanuts. When you give a good rub with your palm, it comes out. Then put it in a blender, make a coarse powder of it. So the powder is ready. Keep the same pan, add oil. Okay, here we've taken approximately 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and once the mustard seeds splatter, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let the mustard seeds and cumin seeds splatter and give a good flavor. At this time, add your finely chopped onions. We've taken 2 full big onions here. You can see that it has been finely chopped. So it has to be added in the oil and the color has to change. At this time, you need to add the curry leaves. Once the onions color, gets a little golden brown color, at this time, you add the slitted ivy gourds that we have. This is one very interesting vegetable. It has a very good health benefits. You know how essential it is for essential for Indians to have it in your regular diet. So once the onion is golden brown color, she has added all the slitted ivy gourd to it and give a proper mix. She's telling, watch it carefully how I'm mixing. So you need to give a proper mix. Add salt at this stage because the vegetable takes time to absorb the salt. If you add it at the end, it will not absorb the salt. So add it in the beginning. Now slowly it will start absorbing the salt. This vegetable is very fleshy and it really tastes well. So once a proper mixture is done, at this time you need to add our favorite turmeric powder. Yes, 1 full teaspoon of turmeric powder goes into it. So you need to give a proper mix. with all the things. At this time, there's because we add turmeric powder immediately after adding salt. The reason is only then you will know that you've added salt to your dish. Okay, once they both goes in, now goes ginger garlic paste. As it is a masala ivy god, you need this ginger garlic paste to give that richness and flavor to it. Especially this particular dish, this ivy god, has what do I say? It has a lot of antioxidant effects in it that may, especially aid in prevention and treatment of diabetes, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure as well. Once you add your ginger garlic paste, close the lid and cook it. And always remember, my stove is still in sim. Okay, cook it properly. Now you see the onions have changed into golden brown color. It's quietly roasted. At this time, when the vegetable is half cooked, add your finely chopped tomatoes. If you add it earlier, what happens is the vegetable will not get cooked. So let the vegetable be half boiled, then add the finely chopped tomatoes. Now again you need to close it after adding chili powder. Add 1 full tablespoon of chili powder. As we are not using green chilies, we've added 2 full tablespoons of chili powder. This totally depends upon your spice levels. As I keep telling you, my family prefers quite spicy food. So after adding chili powder, give a good stir fry, tomatoes, chili powder, and close it for 2 minutes. Open it again, add half a glass of water because you want your tomatoes to be a little mushy. You don't want to eat the tomatoes raw, so add half a glass of water and again close it. So let all the ingredients have a good mix and get cooked properly and evenly. So we are not going to add the powder now. We will add it at last because it will enhance the taste. Now it's properly cooked. At this time, the roasted masala powder that we've blended, add it into the curry. This is going to give a very rich flavor for the curry. This ivy gourd is a tropical plant. This belongs to the same pumpkin family only, you should say. So like any other gourds, this is also very good and it is aggressive climbing vine that spreads rapidly. So after adding all the powder, give a proper mix to your dish. Okay, now it's done. All that you need to do is cook it, close it, and keep it for 2 more minutes. Let the masalas be absorbed. Then you see the richness and flavor. Wow, it's simply delicious. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching our video. Please share your comments. We will come up with more recipes, and hope you enjoyed this. Keep cooking, be happy, spread your smile across the world. Here my mother-in-law says,
దొండకాయ మసాలా కర్రీ అండి. చపాతీకి కానీ జొన్న రొట్టెకి కానీ అన్నంలోకి కానీ సూపర్ ఉంటుంది.